In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an AI character in Magnific AI Desktop. Let's jump right in and walk through the full flow so you can go from a blank library to a ready-to-use character with a voice and share settings that fit your workflow. Start by opening the Magnific app. Once you're in the workspace, look to the left sidebar and click Library. This is where all your assets live. Next, switch into the Characters section so we're working in the right place, and then choose Create to start a new character. You'll land in the References area first. References help Magnific understand the look and feel of your character. You can select an existing image from your library or generate one with AI if that's available in your plan. If you already have artwork, choose the image you want or drag and drop a file to upload your own media. After you see the thumbnail, click it to highlight your choice, then click Add to attach it to the character you're building. Tip: front-facing, well-lit images with clear facial features usually produce the most consistent results. Move into details to define who this character is. Give the character a clear, memorable name so it's easy to find later. Specify the gender if that context is important for your projects. Then select a voice from the available options. Choose the one that matches your character's tone and style and click it to set it. If the tool allows previews, use them to make a confident pick. You can also add a description. This is optional, but it's a great place for backstory, personality notes, or usage guidelines to keep your outputs consistent. Next, configure availability. Set which projects this character should appear in so your team sees it exactly where it's needed. If you collaborate, open the sharing section to grant access to the right people or groups. Always double-check permissions before finalizing. When everything looks good, click Create Character. Magnific will process your inputs and add the new character to your library, ready to use across your projects. And that's it, you've just created an AI character end-to-end in Magnific.